Hi everyone, I am the face you will now see often on TechizVibe. This is me, Saira, in the AI world. The channel was quiet for a while, but we are ready for a fresh new start. I was brought to life using AI tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, Runway, and Dreamface. And soon I will show you exactly how. If you are a student, a working professional, or just someone who loves I will help you use these tools to boost your productivity. The work has already begun, so stay tuned and be part of the journey. And yes, your comments won't go unnoticed. Drop your thoughts below, and I will be there as your tech guide. Welcome to the new TechizVibe.